We're nearing the change of seasons, which means it's time to start planning annual beds so they can be installed in the next month or two. Now I'm going to show you how quick and easy that is to do in LandOne. I've already created a project, so the first thing I need to do is go ahead and add in my aerial image so I can lay out the annual bed on top of it. I'm going to search the address of my property that I want to begin planning on. When I find the address, the next thing I want to do is I want to zoom in and capture inside the frame where those beds are located. I'm just going to do these front two beds here. When I'm happy with what I have inside the frame, I'll click Capture Image to drop that image into the Plan File section of LandOne. Now I'll go ahead and start planning and laying out those beds. So I click Markup Plans. And now I have this image here you can see with the scale set, and I'm ready to begin designing and laying out. To do that, I'm going to click my Add Materials and I can begin adding in. We're just going to call these annuals just to be generic for now. And your material type, your annotation type, is going to be the object group. So here I can set my plant spacing. Let's do 10 inches. I can choose a color. I'm just going to do this pink color and click Save. Now I can start drawing so I can figure out exactly how many annuals I'll need for this bed. I'll activate my material and I'll begin outlining the bed. When I want to do curves, I can simply click C to activate my curve tool and draw a nice smooth curve and hit enter to finish drawing that area. So now you can see I have 117 annuals for that bed. Let's do this one over here. Double click to end it, and now I have my annuals planned for both. I can also add in some accent plants along the back side of it. So since this is fall, we could add in some cabbage, maybe a quart size. We'll do a scaled image. We'll do 1.5 feet in diameter. Let's just choose this symbol here for this green color. I'll click Save. Now I can click and I can start dropping in this cabbage. I can hit D to activate my distance guide and I can start laying out this cabbage. We can do them on 2-foot centers and laying them out across the back of the bed. And I can just keep moving along, laying out this cabbage until I have the whole bed laid out. And that's it. That's how simple it is to plan and do annual maps for your properties. For more tips on how to use LandOne, be sure to check out the rest of our videos in our tutorials playlist.